Hey guys, this is Shannon, and today I'm kind of starting a new series. I'm going to try this out and see how it's going to go. But I want to start probably about a year ago. I saw one of my friends do this. I forget who it was. I'm trying to think, but I can't remember. I saw one of the people I'm subscribed to. We've talked a couple times, I think, if it's who I think I'm thinking of, but I'm not going to say her name in case it's not who I'm actually thinking of. It's confusing. Anyways. She did my top 5 favorite this. So I kind of want to do that. I feel like it'll be something fun that we could just do at random times, you know, like my top 5 favorite blushes, my top 5 favorite lipsticks for this time, whatever. But today I'm going to do my current top 5 favorite cleaning products, because I'm really into cleaning lately, and I think this would be pretty fun. So I'm going to start with, I have like 4 things that I actually clean with, and the other thing is like a tool that I use. So I'm going to start with the tool. I might have to pause this and see if I can switch the camera. I don't know if I can do that, but we're going to try it. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I just tried it and I can't. So I'm just going to show you by holding this really awkwardly. But I can bring it over. It's this sweeper. Right here, it's the Shark Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology vacuum. I can't remember the exact name of it. I'll have to look it up. All of these will be linked in the description below. But I really like it. It has like a nozzle up here, which you can take off and do like the hand cleaning. And then this can easily be taken off to clean out. Mine needs cleaned out right now, so ignore that. But it is so lightweight. It's really easy to like maneuver around and move. And I can use it both on my carpet and on my tile floor in my kitchen, so that's really easy as well. And it cleans up everything. It's worked so well. I've had it for about maybe 2 years now. And it's so easy, and I love it so much. And like I said, it's really lightweight. Like, I can pick up this whole thing with like one hand. So yeah, you might be able to see better if I hold it up here, maybe. But yeah, this is what it looks like, kind of. You can't see it all, but, and it comes with a bunch of attachments as well. And yeah, let's see, is this what it says? No, it just says professional on the front. I will figure out what it's called exactly, but this is a swivel steering, so it's really nice, and I really like it. And my dog is terrified of it. Like, he just walked in the room and saw me holding it, and he like ran away. Sorry, Snoop. Alright, anyways, next product. I guess I'll start with my dish soap that I've been loving. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap, and it's the lemon and verbena scent. I love this scent. It's such like a fresh scent, and I feel like it's a really good scent for like in the kitchen, just because I love the autumn scent. Not autumn, the lemon scent. And yeah, I just feel like it's really fresh. It's a really nice springy scent, and it just smells so good. And a little bit goes a long way. Like, I've been using this all month, and I'm only down to like here. So I've actually been, this is probably my 2nd month of using it, probably. I don't know. I think so. Yeah. And yeah, I really like it. It wasn't that expensive either, and I like that it has essential oils in it. And I think it's like aromatherapic, so I think it has essential oils. I think that's what that means. But yeah, it smells really nice. It works really good. It does a great job of getting off grease and everything like that, and it gets everything so clean and nice and everything. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups, so please excuse me. Alright, next is one that I've recently started using the past couple weeks, and this is from Pledge, and it's a multi-surface antibacterial 2-in-1 cleaner and disinfectant. But I like this for my wood surfaces. I've only really tried it on wood. I haven't tried it on glass or anything. But this works so good to like dust like my wood off with, and it smells really nice. It's got a fresh citrus scent, but it's not like so overpowering. I used to use this like, I forget exactly, I think it was Pledge as well, and it was like their orange spray for wood, and the scent of that, it just smelled so strong of oranges, it made me like really sick from it. But this is really nice. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. But like I was saying, this works really well to clean wood, and it's not that strong of a scent. It does have a scent, but it's not extremely strong, and I think it works really well. It cleaned my wood surfaces really well. I used it on my wooden shelves. I don't think you can see them from here. No, they're behind my fridge, back there. Okay, hold on. But yeah, I really like it. Give me 1 second, my grandma's calling me. Alright, let's try this again. I am back. Hopefully no more interruptions. I apologize. I'm so sorry. Yeah, anyways, moving on. Let's just go on to my next product. I think I've talked about that one enough. This is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. It smells like mint, which, ow. This video is a mess. Oh my gosh. It smells like mint, which I love. It's so fresh and so nice, and I really like it. But it's not like an overpowering mint scent. It's a really nice, fresh mint scent. I really like this. I think I like this more than Windex, which my family used to be really into Windex. But this, when you first use it, it can kind of be misleading, because at first it looks like it's really streaky once you first wipe it down with it, but then once it dries for a second, then everything is just so crystal clear and it looks beautiful. There's not a like trace on the like window with a mirror or anything, and it looks so nice and so clean and streak free, and it's great and I love it. Alright, the final product I have is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the French lavender scent. I thought that was fresh, but it's French lavender. Again, this smells amazing. I love the scent of all the Method products that I've smelled. But yeah, again, this does a great job of wiping off my counters, wiping out my sink, I think I've used it on my tub to clean that out. It cleans really well. It really gets through like any dirt surfaces or anything like that. It gets down like grease and grime and everything that could be on your counters, and it smells really good too. So I really like that about it as well. Alright, and again, you can use that on a bunch of surfaces as well. And yeah, but everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. You like my new sunglasses? I just got them at Walmart. Alright, sorry. Anyways, I think that's it for today's video. Let me know what you would like to see next in this series that I'm going to start. I don't know when the next video will be up. I kind of want to just spread it out, and then whenever I can't really think of an idea or something, I can gather up a couple things and do my top 5 of this or that, you know. So let me know what you think. Let me know what some of your favorite cleaning products are, and if you guys have any suggestions for cleaning products. I'm going to get on Grove Collaborative and order some stuff on there. So let me know if you guys have a scent of the like Mrs. Meyer's or the Method that I should try, or a product of theirs that you really love that you think I should try. Just leave it in the comments, and I think that's it for today. Don't forget to leave a like if you really did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week, every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I think that's it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.